Here are secret codes that you can enter on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G in order to find some hidden menus. Let's open the phone app, and we can start with this code over here, 0808, and then you end it with the hash, and this allows you to open the Samsung USB settings. Then we have this code that is pretty similar, but instead we type 9090 and then end it with the hashtag. And we have diagnostic configuration. We can go through these options, of course, in order to check them out. Then we also have the test menu, which can be opened like this. And as you can see, we can test the vibration, we can test the colors of the display. We have the speaker, grip sensor, loopback, and so on and so forth. Let's go back. Another thing that you can open is this one over here, this menu. And this is the AP, CP, CSC, and model number information. So over here, you can check that information if needed for some reason. I guess the model name is the most important one over here. Then we can also check the status information for GSM network by using the following code. There we go. And then we also have the hardware and software information. This code is a little bit longer. 369. There we go. And as you can see, we can find that information. We have some data of the smartphone, of the hardware and software information. We can also check the TSP and TSK firmware update. So in order to do that, we need to enter this code over here. And it looks like this. We have the firmware version. We can even refresh the Wi-Fi version. And we have some data. Another thing is the Samsung service mode. And this is the code. Unfortunately, it seems to be empty for some reason, at least on my device. Maybe on yours it will actually show something. Maybe some information is actually even deeper or hidden that can be accessed only under certain conditions. But we can also check the camera status and firmware version by using this code. 971539. And over here we have some buttons that we can go through. We can check the version information about the camera. All right. Then we also have this code, 9900. And we have something that is called sysdump, where we can we have the option to improve phone network, technically at least, the battery life and Wi-Fi speed, and this is the general way to access the sysdump mode. We can exit it over here. And last but not least, we also have a quick way to check email and serial number of the device by using this code over here. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. We have these barcodes with emails, both of them, and the serial number over here. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.